So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this icky glue off of your lace frontal. I've already did the other side, as you can see. Some is still right there, but I'll just have to do my technique again to get it nice and clean. I kept this side so you guys can see. Okay, so for this video, you're gonna need a blow dryer. I have a regular cheap blow dryer that I just have at my house, and that's pretty much it. I see a lot of people using the alcohol method, which works too, but I found that I like this method way better just because sometimes you don't have alcohol and it's really easy to achieve. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn your heat on high for your blow dryer, or medium, and you're just gonna blow dry that area where the glue is, and then it's gonna soften it, and look how easy it just peels right off. So I guess because of the heat, it makes the glue just peel and it softens the glue, so you're not scrubbing and scraping. So I really like this method because it just peels and it doesn't leave no residue on the hair, on the lace. Really, it's just so easy to come off. And then after, I'm just gonna do my regular wash routine for my wig, and it's just gonna be right clean. So I'm just gonna keep repeating this method just so you guys see something quick and easy to do when you just want to refresh your lace front and get the glue off. And as you can see, the glue is all the way off. You will have these little balls of glue, and I always have like a little piece of napkin next to me, or a towel, wet towel, so I can wipe that off of my fingers because it gets really sticky and you don't want that. So yeah, this is just a quick video of how I take the glue off of my lace fronts. I hope you guys enjoy it, and stay tuned for more videos. Make sure that when you're shampooing, you're checking to make sure that all of the glue residue is off. And now that it's all clean, it is ready for a new install. I hope you guys like this quick tutorial. Give it a like and thumbs up. Thank you.